welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Olaspel and this is my model for today. So firstly, I'll be starting by drawing our brows, and I just like going in with a lighter shade at the end, and then I don't know, it just happens like it shows at the front. So you just want to draw our brows well, and then I'm blending in with my brush. I'm just making sure I blend out all the concealers. Then I'm going in with my NOMAD palette by JUVIA. I'm going to be using the brown and the orange first. So you just want to make sure you blend. Basically, the key to makeup is blending everything. So you just keep blending till it's even. Then now I'm going in with the dark brown. This is like really dark brown. So you want to make sure that you blend it out and like let it just sit in with the orange. So that's what I'm doing. And you're gonna do for the other side. Yep. And now I'm just going in with brown mixed with a little bit of purple. So I'm just putting that in and yeah, adding a little bit of the brown. And then I'm going in with my eyeliner. You just want to wing it, baby. Wing it. So I'm going to do that for the both sides. And now I'm going in with my lashes. And the lashes I'm using is Lashed by Fiona. Yeah, so I'm just going to put that and make sure it sticks. Then next, I'm going in with my Time Balm primer. And I'm just going to rub that all over our face. Make sure it goes into our skin. Then I'm using my JUVIA's Place foundation. This is in Castina. And yeah, as you can see, the skin color. So you just have to blend. And like I said, this is the key to makeup. So you just want to make sure that it sits in our skin. Just like, let it just look like a skin. English. So yeah, I'm just going to keep blending, blend. And then next thing I'm doing is going in with concealer, JUVIA's Place concealer still, and this is in number 8. So I'm just gonna use that, and then I'm blending once again. Blend. Basically, blending is the thing they tell you every time. So now I'm gonna go in with my setting powder, and this is PAS finishing powder. So I'm just gonna put it in areas I want highlighted, and yeah, just put it everywhere that I want highlighted, like I said before. And the next thing I'm doing is going in with my sleek contour kit. Yeah, so I'm just using that to contour her face, bring out the shape of her face and the shape of her nose. Her nose is part of her face. Anyway, I'm going in with powder now, and I'm just dusting the powder off her face and using regular powder on her face. So the next thing I'm gonna be doing is, yeah, I'm just putting a little bit of eyeshadow under her eyes so it can match, if you guys understand what I'm saying. Then mascara, don't ever forget your mascara. They bring out your look, although I always forget to use mascara on my face. Anyway, then I'm gonna go in with my setting spray that face. Anyway, and the next thing I'm doing is I'm using my JUVIA's highlighter. I don't know the name. I'm going to put it down in the description box. I can't figure it out now. And next thing after this is to use your... I'm just blending it out so everything just evens out. And my camera died, so I started to use my phone. And I'm just doing our lips. I'm going in with my Ellen USA lip palette, and I'm using wine, and then I used a little bit of lighter wine. Then I went in with Huda Beauty. This is a nude color. I'm going to check the name and write it down in the description box. And definitely lip gloss. Lip gloss is my signature. I love gloss. So I'm using it on her face. And I'm going in with a little bit more of mascara because I just felt like I needed to use more mascara on her face, on her lower bottom lashes, if that makes sense. Anyways, and I'm going in with stones. I just felt I should go in with stones because they would define the look more, and like it just makes the look from basic to baddie. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying, but you can say it just looks better with the stones. So in case you want to do a look, you can just use stones and make it more bright. Anyway, yeah, so I didn't plan all this. I just thought about putting it at the last minute. So yeah, now this is the finished look. And and I hope you guys loved it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I remain Olasfeel. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.